Common question: what's up with the catalytic converter on the Infiniti FX35? I get it. You hear the words catalytic converter, and suddenly it's like you need a PhD in automotive chemistry and a secret password to talk to your mechanic. People don't realize how vital this thing is until the car throws a check engine light or starts sounding like a blender having a bad day. You hit the gas, there's rattling, hesitation, some weird exhaust smell. It can turn any drive into a stress test for your patience. Here's the quick and dirty. The catalytic converter's job is to filter out the nasty stuff from your car's exhaust. Think carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides. For the FX35, it's located right on the exhaust manifold, painfully wedged into a spot designed to pinch your knuckles. It's not a cheap fix. Aftermarket catalytic converters for the FX35 start at around $300, but the OEM ones, over $1,200, sometimes closer to $1,500. Labor isn't much better, since you're looking at 2 to 3 hours minimum, so an unexpected bill of $2,000 is not rare. I've heard from plenty of people in forums who've learned the hard way. If your FX35 is running rough, guzzling gas, or if there's that infamous rotten egg smell, odds are you're heading straight for a catalytic converter replacement. The failure rate on 10-plus-year-old models is impressively bad. A lot of it is California's fault, honestly. Stricter emission rules mean your car needs that high-flow converter, so you can't just bolt in the cheap eBay special. A classic Portland story. I had a buddy who tried it, failed DEQ, and ended up having to shell out for the real deal anyway. Pro tip: don't wait when you first notice the check engine light. Most trouble codes are P420 or P0430. Get a simple OBD2 scanner, $25 on Amazon, and check before you drop $100 for diagnostics at the shop. That's lunch money saved. People worry about catalytic converter theft too. The FX35 isn't a Prius, but thieves aren't picky. The metals inside are valuable. It takes about 90 seconds with a cordless saw to lose $1,000. Cheap DIY anti-theft cages are a thing, and I recommend them. If you're a DIY type, replacing the cat on an FX35 isn't impossible, but brace yourself. You'll need metric sockets, PB blaster, and lots of patience. Those exhaust manifold bolts, rusted, stubborn, and begging to round off. More than one knuckle has been sacrificed. After swapping, always reset the ECU. Just disconnect the battery for 10 minutes. Some people skip this and then wonder why the check engine light stays on. It's like giving your car a hard reboot, a classic IT move, but for Nissans. Full disclosure, the FX35's cats last about 100K, 120K miles with normal driving, but bad spark plugs or running rich can nuke them way earlier. If you're burning oil or ignoring misfires, that's a shortcut to another $1,500 bill. If you treat the FX35 like it's invincible, it'll remind you that nothing is. But stay on top of regular maintenance and fix things early. Your catalytic converter could last way longer than Nissan ever promised. If not, well, welcome to the expensive club.